Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rainforest. This month has been pretty intense. I reworked the plants in the right corner, added some new lizards and installed UVB lamp for them. I also built a climbing playground out of branches on the ceiling. Some of them even mounted with the magnets straight to the back glass. And to top of it all, I've already started preparing new terrarium, this time for a chameleon. So let's dive in and I'll show you everything that's been happening inside this little jungle this month. And Bianca will help me. Come on! I'm going now to pick up the lizards from the train. They will be 2 hours in the trip, so it's a fast delivery. Then I'm going to home to put them in my tank. Train will be in about 20 minutes. I hope I will manage to get there on the time, because if not, the lizards will go to visit the world. I'm 10 minutes before the time and I'm waiting. Dziękuję. Dziękuję bardzo. Wzajemnie, do widzenia.
We both walk on the same floor. We don't share the same idea, but I'm not going to give in. We've been fighting for so long over things that passed away.
Who's there? I can hear you. Don't hide.
I wonder what he came up with this time.
Hey guys, have you heard it?
No way.
Hey, anybody home?
Great. Roommates with tails now.
Holy moly, this is high. Hey, what are you looking at?
This house ain't normal. I'm looking for the exit. Bye, losers. Just one more step, and I'm out.
As I have mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm going to rearrange right side of the stump. This monkey monstera grew pretty big, but it's quite boring for me. I will take it out and put some variegated plants.
Ania! Otwórz drzwi, wujek majster przyjechał.
Please trust me, this is temporary. I'm replacing the ordinary Monstera monkey with the variegated one. The same fate awaits Alacasia Frydek. I could rip something out there. But what? That's my favorite philodendron. I will place him higher. I don't remember name of this plant, but it looks like a perfect climber. I have made a really good job, but I don't like the effect. Too many variegations. I just wait for them to grow and then propagate them. This Anthurium is one of my favorite plants. It has beautiful red seeds and big aerial roots. I'm already propagating these plants from the seeds with success. You can see the tiny seedlings in the sphagnum moss. I have a vision of a very high moss pole, which is full of wet sphagnum moss and covered with this Anthurium. So now I'm making such a moss pole and I will put seedlings of the Anthurium through the crate. At the bottom of the pot I'm making a drainage layer from the volcanic lava and then I fill it up with the sphagnum moss. It's a pleasure to stick the seedlings through the crate. to my local shop, I was able to check if my UVB levels are okay. And that's the best shop in the town. I need a new stuff. I don't know why, I don't know what for, I just need it. Shopping beast mode on. It's time to use the loudest machine in my workshop. Quite a big bastards. I hope they will manage to keep the roots on the glass. And the plan is to screw them on this side of the root and another magnet put on the other side of the glass. It's dangerous. But I think I don't have enough of the magnets. New Lamprolepis deserve proper playground. Hania, I'm going to open the terrarium. And you look for the wizards. If they escape, you tell me, okay?
Hey,
Unfortunately, one of them has escaped.
I don't understand.
But don't worry, I found her 2 weeks later and she's back in the terrarium. Okay, it's tricky part. These magnets are not so strong as I thought. I thought they will be much stronger because it's quite... Lizard just has jumped at me. I'm not used to them yet. The lizard jumped at me. Oh, it's quite... It's a bit moving. I will need to make another iteration of this idea. I'm driving to the terroristic shop and I'm going to buy a new home for the chameleon.
Yeah, chameleon.
I was thinking to put it to my terrarium, but I think the conditions there are not the best for him. It's very high, and if he fall, he could simply die. So, new project. Back to the shop. Bonjour. Co się z tym robi? Gdzie to się trzyma? Ale moja żona by to z kapciem goniła. I had a zero pleasure keeping it on my head. Dobra, mogę go oddać? Before two more Lamprolepis will find their new home, I need to pimp it up. This plant may not be dead, but definitely it's not alive. You will come back later. The idea of planting a Ficus benjamin has been on my mind for a long time. I had one left over from building the chameleon terrarium, where it didn't fit in. Yes, you heard that right, the chameleon terrarium already exists. The plan is to cover the entire ground with moss, so let's do it. It's time for you. Bye. It's time for you too. Bye. You will stay. Just kidding. Bye. run out of moss. This isn't the end yet. We had 3 lizards, but one is gone. She took freedom and escaped from the terrarium. Now we're going for 2 more on the train. The train will be in 20 minutes. See you soon.
Lizard was found 2 weeks later, and she's okay.
Lizards are at home, but I also have a new delivery of the moss, so I will put the moss and then the lizards. I hope you enjoyed the film and had a good time watching it. With every new video I try to make them better, and it would mean a lot if you came back to the channel for the upcoming production about setting up a terrarium for the chameleon. Coming soon. See you next time, and for now, here are few macro shots of our little animals.
What if I give you some of mine? We've been fighting for so long over things that pass away. We both walk on the same floor. We don't share the same idea, but I'm not going to give in. We've been fighting for so long over things that pass.
Bye!